In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google account to your Opera account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Opera or looking to streamline your browsing experience, this simple tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can quickly and securely link your accounts. First things first, you need to have the Opera browser installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, head over to the official Opera website, download the installer, and follow the easy installation instructions. Opera is a great choice as a web browser due to its sleek design and user-friendly features, so having it installed can really enhance your browsing experience. Once you have Opera all set up, we can jump into the connection process. With Opera open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your window. There's a profile icon waiting there for you. Click on this icon as it will lead you to a menu where you'll find all of the personalized options for your Opera account. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize and manage your browsing settings. Next, after clicking the profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Scroll through the menu until you locate the option for Google. This option is specifically there for linking your Google account, so it's a crucial step in our journey today. Don't worry if the menu looks a bit crowded, taking your time here ensures you don't miss it. Once you've found the Google option, you're ready to make the connection. You'll see a prompt that says, Connect Google. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to syncing your Google account with Opera, bringing all of your Google data seamlessly into your browsing environment. However, before completing the connection, Opera will prompt you to log into your Google account. This step is essential for security purposes and ensures that you're the one authorizing the connection. Enter your Google email and password carefully. This information is personal and needs to be kept secure. Don't forget to check that you're on a secure network to maintain your privacy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Google account to your Opera account. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined experience with easy access to your Google data while browsing. Opera and Google work together to provide a cohesive browsing experience, making your tasks online smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and I hope you find your newly synced browsing experience both enjoyable and productive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other tutorials. Happy browsing!